In this vlog, I'm going to try to tackle a project that I tried to start over a year ago but never finished. This is a mutilated IKEA Hauga sideboard and cabinet set that was basically the first piece of furniture that I ever picked out. After a while, I decided that I did not like the look of the upper shelving on the cabinet. So, several months ago, I cut off the shelving with the plan to turn this into just a long, flat cabinet for storing books, photos, board games, and our television. It's finally time to follow through with my plans for these cabinets. I'm cutting some 3/4 inch thick plywood to attach to the top of the cabinets to hide the unevenness that I created by cutting off the shelving. I'm also adding some trim to hide the plywood edge and to give the appearance of a thicker top. I also add 3 coats of water-based polyurethane, sanding lightly between coats. I didn't really like the original knobs that came with the cabinets, so I'm swapping them out with these old ones that I found in our storage. Aside from a few mistakes with the wood glue and staining, I am super happy with how it turned out, almost exactly like I had imagined. I had some extra trim from the cabinet project and decided to use it to hang up a poster. I've had these magnets sitting in my car for the past 10 years, and I finally have a use for them. I wanted to make this work with just 6 magnets, so I'm attempting to break 2 in half. Not super successful, but it should work. I got the chance to visit a botanical garden of native Alabama plants, and I found tons of new inspiration for what to add to our garden at home someday. Some of my favorites included black-eyed Susans, meadow phlox, oak leaf hydrangea, and Stokes aster. This Greek pasta salad is one of my new favorite recipes. A pasta salad paired with chicken and watermelon might be my ideal summertime dinner combination. Since the last vlog, I've added about a dozen more earthworms to the vermicomposting system, and I add kitchen scraps with more bedding every few days. I've not seen any insects visit the bee bath, but I like to think that they come by when I'm not looking. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about what to do to prepare for the fall garden. I've been looking through my seed collection and decided on some of the main things I want to grow, such as a variety of greens like spinach, kale, collards, and lettuce. Also, snow peas, some herbs including dill, lemon balm, and cilantro. I want to try to grow some Touchstone gold beets and Danvers 126 carrots, and also some broccoli. Our first frost date is expected to be at around November 6th, so I went ahead and started a small tray of broccoli seeds. This will be my first year growing a fall garden here in Zone 8A, and I'm looking forward to the cooler weather.